Hi, I'm Phil, the My Way Chef. Now that Thanksgiving is over, I'm going to share with you my favorite turkey soup recipe. So save the bones and keep watching. Let me explain. I'm using ground turkey that I bought and turkey stock that I bought because I've done this video before Thanksgiving. And you can do this anytime. You don't have to wait for Thanksgiving. If it were Thanksgiving, I would have used the meat from the turkey for the turkey meat, the ground turkey, and I would have made the turkey stock. And there's a recipe for it in my recipes. Let me go over the ingredients. I have pearl barley, a chicken stock, the turkey stock, a medley of vegetables, oil and butter, smashed garlic, seasoning, salt, pepper, and red pepper, sugar, a tomato, my ground turkey, pepperoni cheese, and more turkey stock. First, we're going to cook the barley. Next, I'm going to brown the turkey. Once it's done, I'm going to remove it to that pan. I'm put a little oil in here first, and now I'll get this turkey going. The ground turkey is done, so I've set it aside. Now I'm going to start the turkey soup, the base turkey soup. While the soup is finishing up, I'm going to blend the pecorino into the turkey stock. Now, normally people would add the pecorino right into the soup, but I found that when you do that, it clings to the vegetables and doesn't distribute evenly in the soup. So I do it this way. Ready for the final taste. But first I want to point out, I gave my wife these flowers 2 weeks ago, and they're still beautiful. I think I'll fill my cup here for the final taste. I always like to add a little pecorino after it's served. Now I'll give it my little taste. Oh, that is so good. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.